The giant's secret, ultra-ancient mystery of how these giants built the pyramids.
In December 2025, scientists discovered a complete underground city right beneath the pyramids of Giza. 8 massive structures, long vertical shafts, and one construction that is 4,500 years old, yet still standing perfectly straight today. This news is so huge that CNN, BBC, and Al Jazeera are hiding it. But today I'm going to show you everything with evidence, with images, and even the secret doorway that is about to be opened. If you don't watch this video till the end, you will regret it for the rest of your life. Friends, for 1,500 years ago, the desert was empty. But suddenly, 3 magnificent pyramids appeared. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, 146 meters tall, made of 2.3 million stone blocks, each stone weighing between 2 to 80 tons. For 200 years, scientists have been asking, how was it built? But in 2025, the answer was finally found. And that answer isn't above the pyramids. It's beneath them. In September 2025, a team of Italian and Scottish scientists used ground-penetrating radar and electrical resistivity tomography. And the result? Right beneath the pyramids, at a depth of 10 to 40 meters, they discovered 8 massive structures. These structures are rectangular with perfectly straight walls, and between them are long shafts, underground tunnels. This news was first published by Archaeology magazine and the Daily Mail. Now listen, here comes the most shocking part. On the eastern side of the Menkaure pyramid, extremely close to the surface, researchers found 2 L-shaped voids. Experts are saying this is the key to a hidden doorway, meaning there is still a second secret entrance inside the pyramid that has never been opened. This discovery was made jointly by Cairo University and a Japanese research team. But the big question is, how did these massive stones get here? In 2024, Science Alert confirmed the existence of a lost branch of the Nile, named the Pyramids Branch. It was 64 kilometers long and passed right in front of the Giza Pyramids. This was the route used to transport giant stone blocks on boats. The proof? Satellite radar imagery and ground surveys. And who were the workers? They were not slaves, but 30,000 skilled laborers. Archaeologists found their tombs, traces of bread on their teeth, strong bones, meaning they were well fed. A papyrus document was also discovered, stating, "Today 200 granite blocks arrived from Aswan by river." This is the diary of an official named Mirror. Now the biggest evidence of 2025. A new radar report released in December shows an L-shaped complex hidden beneath the pyramids, which may be concealing the true burial chamber of the pharaoh. This news has not reached mainstream media yet, but experts believe this discovery could rewrite human history. So friends, no aliens, no magic, just human obsession, science, and hard work that made the impossible possible. In November 2025, a Scottish-Italian team discovered a 2-kilometer-long underground complex using SAR tomography, featuring honeycomb-shaped chambers, spiral shafts, and 80-meter-wide passages. This network connects the Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure pyramids and links to the Osiris Shaft. How was the evidence found? Through ground-penetrating radar, GPR, and electrical resistivity tomography, ERT, which detected anomalies up to 648 meters deep. Some researchers call it the legendary Halls of Ameni, where Thoth is said to have hidden ancient knowledge. However, some experts, like Lawrence Conyers from the University of Denver, argue these could be small shafts rather than an entire underground city. The controversy. Discussions on Reddit and answers in Genesis question the findings since they are not yet peer-reviewed, and the main reveal came via a YouTube press conference. Still, the accuracy of SAR technology, like the 2022 confirmation of hidden Khufu chambers, gives the discovery credibility. Sphinx and other tunnels. The Khafre project also detected a large shaft beneath the Great Sphinx, possibly connected to its hidden cavities. A March 2025 report described a network of horizontal tunnels across the plateau, possibly for water systems or ceremonial caves, similar to what we see in Mayan structures. What's coming next? In 2026, Egyptian authorities plan new excavations. If this turns out to be the Hall of Records, it could reveal ancient knowledge, including star maps and sacred texts. Scientists emphasize this is a triumph of human ingenuity, not alien involvement. Friends, these discoveries show the pyramids still hold secrets. And in the coming years, when the hidden door finally opens, the truth will be revealed. Speech balloon comment, like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing mysteries.